Hello and welcome. Let's dive into QR code. QR code can be used to open URL store mobile tickets, contactless payments, even obituaries on headstone, to name a few because they are simply a graphical representation of alphanumeric strings. They don't expire. Now, there are a couple of ways you can create QR code in Excel. I will show you an alternative way which allows you to create colorful QR codes and works in all versions of Excel. My name is Abdul Kadir Salami. Let's get to work. Let's talk about how to create QR code in Excel. First, you have to open your Excel just as we have it now. And the next thing is to go to your developer. So this is it. And in case you don't have your developer tab in the ribbon tab, all you have to do is to right click any other tab. So you click on customize the ribbon. So it launches you to this dialog box. You select your developer, you check in. After checking in, then you click on OK. So now we have it. The next step now is we need to click on our hard ins. Okay, this is it. You click on your hard ins. So when you click on it, it launches you to this store bar. Okay, when you click on your store, it launches you here. So now you have to type your QR code. Then you press enter. So now the next step is to click on your hard button. Okay, QR for Office. Click on the hard button. And the next step is to click on continue. Now the installation is complete. So now let's click on our hard ins. The next step now is to click on our hard ins and we click on our QR for Office. This is it. We click on it and then we click hard. Okay, now we can enter our URL. We can put our YouTube URL on it. And at this point in time, we can drag and move the position to any angle we want it to be. We can make any other adjustment, changing the color, changing the position. And when we are done with this, we have to click on what? Insert. Now we have our QR code, so we can move it to any direction. So this is how to add QR code in Excel. Thank you. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Thank you.